Distributive law from the laws of Boolean algebra.
Hello everyone. In this video we shall understand the distributive law of Boolean algebra. In the commutative law and even in the associative law, you people do have commutative law for addition, commutative law of multiplication, associative law of addition, associative law of multiplication. But in distributive law, you don't have distributive law of addition and distributive law of multiplication, because just observe this equation. Here we have both the operations in one single term itself. You have three variables: variable A, variable B, and variable C. Okay, so A and B or C is the equation. You have both the ORing operation and ANDing operation in one single equation. That is why distributive law is not given for multiplication and addition separately. Multiplication and addition comes in the same distributive law. Okay, so it can be written as A and B. Okay, A and B or C is equal to A and B or A and C. Okay, if you have three variables, the second and third variable, if they are ORed together and then ANDed to the first variable, you can definitely write it equal to as the first variable ANDed with the second variable, and the ORing the in between two terms you have OR. Okay, and the first variable is ANDed with the second variable, first variable ANDed with the second variable, first variable ANDed with the third variable. You have two terms over there. Those two terms you can OR them, so that will be equal to A and B or C. So that will be equal to what? A and B or A and C. This is what we can definitely write. This is what we call it as distributive law. Okay, so how does he put these in words is what we are going to understand. The distributive law states that ORing several variables and ANDing the result with a single variable is equivalent to ANDing the single variable with each of the several variables and ORing the products. He says, the distributive law states that ORing several variables and ANDing the result with a single variable. This is what we shall consider. Okay, so here ORing several variables and ANDing this with a single variable is what he said. Okay, then is equivalent to, it is equal to what? ANDing the single variable with each of the several variables. The single variable, whatever that we had, that is taken and it is ANDed with each of the several variable A, B and A, C. Then what is going to do it? Okay, and then ORing the products, whatever the products that we have, then you are going to do the ORing operation between the products. By doing ORing operation between the products, whatever that we had, so we are going to get the same answer. This is what the meaning of your distributive law. Okay, by looking at the logic diagram, we can write it as, first we take OR gate and then AND gate. Here we take two AND gates first and then we give the answer to the output to the OR gate. So what happens here? He gives B and C as the input to the OR gate. The output is B or C. Then it is given to the AND gate. The output is given to the AND gate along with A as the one of the input. The output will be as follows: A and B or C. Fine. So now we have to fetch this y is equal to A and B or A and C. So that is why he gives B as the one of the input to the AND gate, A is the common input to both the AND gates, C as the one of the input to the second AND gate. The outputs of these two AND gates will be A and B and A and C. Then both the outputs are given to the OR gate, which yields B, y is equal to A and B or A and C. This is what the logical depiction or a logical diagram, whatever that we can write for the distributive law. Okay, so I hope you people understood this distributive law. The meaning of these two logic diagrams and the equality sign between them is that the left side logic diagram is equivalent to this right side logic diagram. The answer for A or A and B or C will be equal to A and B or A and C. Okay, whatever the way you write it, the answer is going to be same. The answer is not going to change, and that is what your distributive law is all about. I hope you people understood the distributive law. If you do have any doubts regarding the distributive law, you people can ask me, and As always, I say happy learning.